Hello children, welcome to our classroom for class 10th. Today I am going to tell you about a very contemporary topic, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. As we know, we the Indians are going to celebrate the 75th year of our independence. This year we are going to celebrate the 75th year of our independence. 75th year is called as a Platinum Jubilee. And this Platinum Jubilee means celebration, children. And this Platinum Jubilee has been given a very distinctive, a unique name as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. What is this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi said that the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav means elixir. Elixir means it is like a medicine, like a cure of energy of independence, elixir of inspirations of the warriors of freedom struggle, elixir of new ideas and pledges, and elixir of Atmanirbhar, and elixir of Atmanirbharta. Therefore, this Mahotsav is a festival of awakening of the nation, festival of fulfilling the dreams of good governance, and the festival of global peace and development. Honorable Prime Minister also said that like the history of the freedom movement, the journey of 75 years after independence is a reflection of the hard work, innovation, enterprise of ordinary Indians. Whether in the country or abroad, we Indians have proved ourselves with our hard work. We are proud of our constitution. We are proud of our democratic traditions, the mother of democracy. India is still moving forward by strengthening democracy. India, which is very rich in knowledge and science, is leaving its mark from Mars to the moon. Prime Minister Modi has often shared his vision of building a new Atmanirbhar Bharat, means the India which is independent, which is self-dependent, which is not depending on other countries as in the earlier times, by the year 2022. So, to a more extent, our country, India, has become Atmanirbhar or self-dependent. Along with celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, our Prime Minister has given a call, that is Har Ghar Tiranga. It is a campaign under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to encourage people to bring the tricolor home and to hoist it to mark the 75th year of India's independence. Our relationship with the flag has always been more formal and institutional than personal. Bringing the flag home collectively as a nation is the 75th year of independence, thus becomes symbolic of not only an act of personal connection to the Tiranga but also an embodiment of our commitment to nation building. The idea behind the initiative is to invoke the feeling of patriotism in the hearts of the people and to promote awareness about the Indian national flag. Thus, I think, children, we have understood what is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and what is Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, why we are going to call it Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav instead of the Platinum Jubilee of our independence. Hope, children, you can write an article on the topic of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Har Ghar Tiranga. This is a very contemporary topic and you can complete it as a project or contemporary writing in the subject of social studies. Children, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Children, if you want to write on the contemporary issue on the topic Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, you can write as I have written. You can see the video of my writing. Thus you can write as I have written, or you can take your own words.